National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 159, effective until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Indiana: Boone, Hamilton, Hendricks, Johnson, Marion, and Morgan. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in
Yeah.
close to the watch area.
Yeah, I'd rather not get rear-ended by a semi.
Yeah.